Okay guys, today on this episode of You Do It Crafts, we are going to learn how to sweat pipes or solder pipes, copper pipes that is. I know a lot of you men know how to sweat pipes or solder pipes, but a lot of us ladies are intimidated by, doing this type of work. So I'm going to show you how easy it is that you can actually do it yourself. Alright, first what I'm going to do is get everything open here. Okay, I'm going to clean my pipe with the steel wool. Steel wool cleans the pipe. I don't know if you can see that, but the steel wool cleans the pipe and it turns it a shiny copper. It's a shiny copper now. So it's going to make a really good connection once you clean that. Clean it really good. Okay. That's nice and clean. Go inside a couple times. Clean the inside. It's kind of hard to stick the steel wool inside of there, so you stick the brush in there. I usually do both pipes. That's just something that I do. So I know a lot of you guys might say, oh, you don't have to do both pipes, but I do. As ladies, we gotta be extra for everything. So this fitting has two sides to it, so it's going to solder on this side and this side. So I'm going to put some flux here around the edge. Don't be stingy either. Just put the flux on there. The flux on this one. I'm using a brush. It's easier to put it on with a brush. You can buy this kit at the home store. It comes in a whole kit. Okay. I'm also going to put some on the fitting. Like I said, I know I'm extra. Some on the outside too. You can also use the steel wool for the actual fitting as well, because sometimes the fitting is a little dirty looking, so you can also do that as well. Slide these on. Make sure the pipe is inside of the fitting. Make sure it's inside of the fitting. It's nice and tight. Don't forget what I said about do not touch the pipe while it's hot. This is why I always have my pliers handy, just in case I have to touch it. Well, not with your hands, but with the pliers. Okay. So this is the part we've been waiting for. So now I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit more. Have to get it really hot. A lot of times you can't go all around the pipe, so you just have to basically work from one side. I mean, if you're fortunate, you can do both sides, but Just heating up the pipe. So once I put this solder to this hot pipe, the solder is just going to gravitate to the flux, and it's just going to go all the way around the pipe. It's that simple. You just have to heat the pipe up enough. It's not hot enough. Sometimes you got to check it. Got to heat it up. Make sure it's nice and hot. Let me turn it up just a little tad bit more. There you go. Alright. It usually just go all the way around the pipe. If you hit it right on the top, it'll go all the way around the pipe. There you go. That's simple.